Hey guys, welcome back. In this session, we are discussing immunology questions of last 20-year GATE biotechnology. Question number 21 is members of the antibody protein family that have common structural features are collectively known as. So immunoglobulins are glycoproteins molecules that are produced by plasma cells in response to immunogen and which functions as antibodies. The immunoglobulins derive their name from the findings that they migrate with globular proteins when antibodies containing serum in plasma is in an electric field. Immunoglobulins generally assume as one of the two roles. It acts as a plasma membrane bound antigen receptor on the surface of the B cell. So option D, immunoglobulins, is the right answer. Question number 22 is, in ABO blood group system, antigenic determinants are. So the ABO blood group antigens are attached to the oligosaccharide chains that project above the RBC surface. These chains are attached to the proteins and lipids that lie in the RBS membrane. ABO system of blood grouping, the antigenic determinant are carbohydrate origin. So option B, carbohydrate, is the correct answer. Question number 23 is, the polymorphic domains for class 2 MSC proteins are. So MSC class 2 molecules is composed of two membrane spanning proteins. The two regions farthest from the membrane are alpha 1 and beta 1, the two chains associated with covalent bonds. So class 2 molecules are dimer consisting of an alpha and beta polypeptide chain. Each chain contains an immunoglobulin-like region next to the cell membrane. So option C, alpha 1 and beta 1 domains only, is the correct answer. Question number 24 is, match the viruses in group 1 with their host cell receptor in group 2. So heparin sulfate is a ubiquitously distributed polysulfated polysaccharide that is involved in the initial step of herpes simplex virus type 1. The nicotinic acetylcholine receptor is the first identified receptor for rabies virus. One of the early hallmark of HIV infection is impairment of a variety of CD4+. Hepatitis A virus, an atypical picornaviridia that causes acute hepatitis in human. The HAV cellular receptor 1 to infect cells is the class 1 integral membrane glycoprotein that contains two extracellular domains, a virus binding immunoglobulin like IgV domain and the mucin like domain that extends the IgV from the cell membrane. So option C, that is P4Q3R2S1, is the correct answer. Question number 25 is, idiotypic determinants of an antibody are associated with the. So immunoglobulin idiotypes are serologically defined determinants associated with the variable V region of antibody molecules. So option C, variable region, is the correct answer. Question number 26 is, identification of blood groups involves. So all the blood grouping reactions are agglutination reaction. In these, the antibodies against A and B antigens, when added, they bind to the cell surface and result in dumping of the cells. These clumps or settling down of cells is referred to as agglutination. So option D, agglutination, is the right answer. Question number 27 is, B lymphocytes originate from the bone marrow whereas T lymphocytes originate from. So all the T cells originate from hematopoietic stem cells in the bone marrow. T cells during early stage of maturation migrate to the thymus and then undergo a process of maturation. They are released as competent and mature T cells from the thymus. So option B, bone marrow, is the right answer. Question number 28 is, heat inactivation of serum is done to inactivate. So heat inactivation, that is heating to 56 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes of serum, is done to inactivate complement, a group of protein present in sera that are part of the immune response. So option C, complement, is the right answer. Question number 29 is, match the products in group 1 with the application in group 2. So digoxin is for cardiovascular disorder. Stereoside is a sweetener. Atropine is a muscle relaxant. Vinblastine is an anti-cancer agent. So option C, that is P3Q4R1S2 is the correct answer. Question number 30 is protein A, which has strong affinity to Fc region of immunoglobulin, is extracted from. So protein A is a cell wall component produced by several strains of Staphylococcus aureus that consists of a single polypeptide chain and contains little or no carbohydrate. The protein A molecule contains 4 high affinity binding sites capable of interacting with the Fc region from IgG of several species including human and rabbit. The interaction between protein A and IgG is not equivalent for all species. Protein A interact with some subclasses of IgG and not others. There are also many instances in which monoclonal antibodies do not bind with protein A. So protein A is extracted from Staphylococcus aureus, that is option B, it is correct.